Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be reviewing ToTheMoon Expert Advisor. It is a grid-based EA with a genuinely long signal track record behind it. Now, a quick note for you before we start. If you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. All right, so now the ToTheMoon Expert Advisor works on both MT4 and MT5. There is the MT4 version, as you can see, but we are going to be reviewing the MT5 version in this video. So let us just walk through the marketplace page from the top. It is developed by Daniel Moraes da Silva, currently on version 3.6, last updated on the 13th of May 2026, and it has 5 activations. The page opens by noting that this is one of the few robots with a signal history of more than 3 years and describes it as among the top 10. It is priced at $600 to buy, or you can rent it monthly for $100 with a 6-month option at $300, saving 51%. The developer also links to separate MT4 and MT5 product pages and to a set of free downloadable presets used on their own signals, along with examples of those live signals on the page. Now, the 2 presets specifically recommended are called No Pain Trading AUDCAD on M5 with a suggested $1,200 and No Stress, also AUDCAD on M5 with a suggested $600. The developer explains that because the robot has grown to include many parameters over time, presets are provided specifically to make it easier to use. Each preset specifies the symbol, time frame, and recommended minimum balance. And for presets using multiple symbols, the developer recommends selecting the symbol from the chart with the most trades and liquidity. Now, onto the core strategy, which the developer explains directly. Most presets use a grid approach that searches for an average price, increasing lot size as the market moves against the position, and closing orders as price returns toward that average, using partial close along the way as a kind of smart stop loss aimed at avoiding a high drawdown. Now, in multi-symbol mode, orders across all active symbols can be used together to close out a loss. The developer is specific that this style of strategy works best on symbols that fluctuate within a range rather than following strong trends, which is exactly why AUDCAD is recommended over USD-based pairs, since those tend to follow bigger trends and react more to news. All right, gold, Bitcoin, and major indices are described as too trend driven, for this kind of grid approach to work well. Okay, so on the requirements, this only runs on MT4 or MT5, and on MT5 specifically, the account needs to be a hedging account rather than netting. All right, and it won't work on FIFO type accounts either. The leverage needs to be above 100x for the return to hold up, and the account currency should preferably be USD. Okay, and that's to match how the presets are configured. The developer also notes it won't work on cryptocurrency or binary options brokers. All right, and it is unlikely to meet prop firm account rules. A VPS is effectively required since MetaTrader needs to stay running continuously for the EA to function. Now, let us get into the historical testing. All right. So I actually ran this test on a $10,000 account AUDCAD M5 time frame as recommended, all right, covering January through July 2026, about 7 months, which lines up with the symbol and time frame the developer's own recommended presets are built around. Now, the total net profit from this back test, for that period came out to $2,135. Breaking that down, the gross profit was $4,298 against a gross loss of around $2,162. All right, given a profit factor of 1.99. Here is something worth pointing out: the maximum balance drawdown was just 1%, but the maximum equity drawdown reached 11.66%. That gap between balance and equity drawdown is exactly what you'd expect from a grid based system like this one, where floating exposure builds up while the average price grid is active, even though the realized closed out drawdown stays small. All right, so out of 328 total trades, close to 71% were profitable. And worth noting, the largest single losing trade at $102 was actually smaller than the largest single winning trade at $119. Okay, which is consistent with the partial close smart stop loss approach that the developer describes for managing the grid down. So to wrap up, based on the available information, ToTheMoon's historical testing here shows a contained reasonably balanced results on AUDCAD, with a kind of balance versus equity drawdown gap that you would expect from a grid based strategy, but without a runaway single loss dominating the outcome. Okay, if you even look at the graph, you will see that there were times where significant drawdowns occurred, but overall, the growth was steady over time, but there were times of substantial drawdowns regardless. Okay, so that said, the developer is clear that this style of system is built specifically around range bound pairs like AUDCAD rather than trending markets. So results would likely look very different on a different symbol. And I'm going to recommend testing the specific preset and symbol combination that you are considering on your own broker and account type before deciding whether it fits your risk tolerance. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.